Windows 11 CPU requirements. Windows 11 is here, bringing a sleek new look and exciting features. From a redesigned start menu to enhanced virtual desktops, it promises a fresh experience. However, not everyone is celebrating. The excitement is dampened for many. Microsoft's strict CPU requirements have left many users with older PCs out in the cold. This has caused a wave of frustration and disappointment. These requirements, while intended to enhance security and performance, have been a double-edged sword. They have sparked frustration among those unwilling or unable to upgrade their hardware. The cost and effort involved can be significant. But fear not, tech enthusiasts. There are ways to navigate these challenges. Where there's a will, there's often a way. With some technical know-how, you can find solutions. This guide delves into the world of bypassing Windows 11's CPU restrictions. We'll provide you with the knowledge you need. We'll explore the why behind Microsoft's decision, shedding light on their rationale. And then dive into 3 effective methods to circumvent these limitations. Each method will be explained in detail. Remember, while we'll provide detailed instructions, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Tampering with your system always carries risks. Proceed with caution and ensure you know what you're doing. Back up your important data before attempting any of these methods. This step is essential to avoid data loss. This guide is for informational purposes only. We aim to educate, not to encourage risky behavior. We do not endorse or encourage bypassing Microsoft's requirements. Always consider the implications. Always prioritize the security and stability of your system. Your computer's health is paramount. Microsoft's rationale. Why the fuss about CPUs? Before we jump into the how, let's address the why. Microsoft's stringent CPU requirements for Windows 11 stem from their commitment to enhancing security and reliability. Modern CPUs come equipped with features like TPM or Trusted Platform Module and Secure Boot, designed to thwart malware and safeguard your data. These features act as a first line of defense, ensuring that your system boots up securely and remains protected from unauthorized access. Older CPUs often lack these crucial security features, making them more vulnerable to attacks. Microsoft's decision, while frustrating for some, aims to provide a more secure and robust computing experience for all Windows 11 users. Imagine a castle protected by a sturdy wall. That wall represents the security features of newer CPUs. These features are not just about keeping the bad guys out, they also ensure that your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Older CPUs, lacking these fortifications, leave your system exposed. While bypassing CPU requirements might seem tempting, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks involved. Your system's security could be compromised, leaving you vulnerable to data breaches and other threats. In the end, the fuss about CPUs is all about ensuring a safer, more reliable computing environment for everyone. Method 1. Registry tweaks. A direct approach to installation. Our first method involves a touch of technical maneuvering within the Windows registry. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The registry is essentially a database storing your system's configuration settings. By modifying specific registry keys during the Windows 11 installation process, we can bypass the CPU check. This method requires accessing the registry editor, a built-in Windows tool. Remember, precision is key when working with the registry. Incorrect modifications can lead to system instability. Always follow the instructions carefully, and back up your registry before making any changes. Detailed steps for this method involve booting from your Windows 11 installation media, accessing the command prompt, launching the registry editor, locating and modifying specific keys related to CPU checks, and finally, proceeding with the installation. Method 2, Rufus to the rescue. Customizing your bootable USB. Rufus, a popular and free utility, offers another route to bypass Windows 11's CPU restrictions. This method involves creating a customized bootable USB drive containing a modified Windows 11 installation image. Rufus allows you to tweak various installation parameters, including disabling the CPU check during setup. This method is relatively straightforward and doesn't require delving into the complexities of the registry. You'll need to download the Rufus application and a Windows 11 ISO file. Rufus then guides you through the process of creating a bootable USB drive with the CPU check bypassed. Remember to select the correct options within Rufus and ensure you're using a legitimate Windows 11 ISO file from a trusted source. Section 5. Method 3. Upgrading from Windows 10, a sneaky workaround. If you're currently running Windows 10 on your unsupported PC, there's a sneaky workaround to upgrade to Windows 11 without directly confronting the CPU requirements. This method involves a bit of file manipulation within your existing Windows 10 installation. By modifying a specific file related to the Windows 11 upgrade process, we can essentially trick the system into thinking your CPU meets the requirements. This method involves locating and opening a specific file within the Windows 10 installation directory, modifying a specific value related to CPU compatibility checks, saving the changes, and then initiating the Windows 11 upgrade process. It's crucial to follow the instructions carefully and ensure you're modifying the correct file and values. Incorrect modifications can lead to issues with your Windows 10 installation. Section 6. The Aftermath. Beefing up security on your unsupported system. Congratulations! You've successfully bypassed Windows 11's CPU restrictions using one of the methods outlined above. This is a significant achievement, but it also comes with its own set of responsibilities. However, your journey isn't over just yet. Running an unsupported system means you need to be extra vigilant about security. Remember those security concerns we discussed earlier? They are now more relevant than ever. Now that you're running Windows 11 on an unsupported PC, it's crucial to take extra steps to fortify your system's security. This means being proactive and not waiting for issues to arise. This includes installing a robust antivirus and anti-malware suite, which can help protect against a wide range of threats. Keeping your system and applications up to date is another critical step. Regular updates patch vulnerabilities and improve overall security. Additionally, be extra cautious about phishing attempts and suspicious downloads. These are common ways for malware to infiltrate your system. Consider investing in a reputable third-party security solution that offers real-time protection, firewall capabilities, and web browsing protection. These features can add an extra layer of security. Regularly update your Windows 11 operating system and all installed applications to patch any known vulnerabilities. This is a simple yet effective way to keep your system secure. Be vigilant about suspicious emails, links, and attachments. These can often be disguised as legitimate communications. Avoid downloading files from untrusted sources. Always verify the authenticity of the source before proceeding with any download. Remember, prevention is better than cure when it comes to online security. Taking these steps now can save you a lot of trouble in the future. Section 7. Weighing the risks. Is bypassing CPU restrictions worth it? We've explored the how and the why of bypassing Windows 11's CPU restrictions. Now comes the critical question, is it worth it? The answer, unfortunately, is not a simple yes or no. On the one hand, you gain access to the sleek new features and improved performance of Windows 11 without having to upgrade your hardware. You regain control and make an informed decision about your computing experience. On the other hand, you're knowingly compromising your system's security by circumventing Microsoft's safeguards. You might encounter compatibility issues, performance hiccups, or even system instability. Ultimately, the decision rests with you. Carefully weigh the benefits and risks before proceeding. If you're unsure, seeking advice from a trusted tech expert is always a wise move. Section 8. Legal disclaimer and final thoughts. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to reiterate that this guide is for informational purposes only. We do not endorse or encourage bypassing Microsoft's CPU requirements for Windows 11. Modifying your system or using unofficial software can void your warranty and potentially expose your system to risks. Proceed with caution, understand the potential consequences, and always back up your data before making any changes. Microsoft's decision to implement strict CPU requirements, while controversial, stems from their commitment to enhancing security and ensuring a smooth user experience for all Windows 11 users. While workarounds exist, it's essential to prioritize the long-term health and security of your system. Section 9. Conclusion: to bypass or not to bypass. The choice is yours. The world of technology thrives on innovation, exploration, and pushing boundaries. Bypassing Windows 11's CPU restrictions embodies this spirit, empowering users to take control of their computing experience. However, this newfound freedom comes with a hefty price tag, potential security risks, and system instability. It's a classic case of with great power comes great responsibility. As technology advances, the gap between official requirements and user expectations will likely persist. It's up to each user to navigate this landscape, weighing the benefits against the risks, and making informed decisions that align with their needs and values. Whether you choose to embrace the official route or venture into the realm of workarounds, remember that knowledge is power. Arm yourself with information, proceed with caution, and enjoy the ever-evolving world of computing. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.